This is going to be a quick little video. I posted on the forum last night that when I took my helicopter out in the yard yesterday for the first spin up, just to make sure it was working, and just testing all the bolts, and make sure I had just to make sure I had it set up right and working right. And it was. It spooled up very impressively. It's a completely different animal than what I'm used to, so I'll that'll take some getting used to. But something I noticed, even when the head was turning, when excuse me, when I was throttling up, and when I hit throttle hold and the helicopter was spooling down, there was a noise coming from the helicopter right in here somewhere, and as best I can tell, it's coming from that either that spindle right there, the torque tube front drive gear assembly, that vertical piece right there that's got the gear on the bottom that runs on the auto rotation gear, and it's got the umbrella gear on the top that drives the torque tube. It's either coming from that, the bearings to that, or the umbrella for the torque tube itself, or the bearings. It's somewhere in there. So I posted on that, and Lee asked me to do a video to show the noise, so I'm going to try to do that. I can spin the head, and I can hear the sound here. We'll see if it shows up on the video. So hopefully it does. So here we go. I'll give it a good hard spin, and hopefully the camera picks it up. See, I can hear that all the way down, from when I give it the go, and as it's spinning down. I don't know. Let's see if we can do it again here, just for laughs. So anyway, we'll see if that noise shows up on the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get some parts ordered, and I'll go ahead and replace that. I'm gonna replace the front drive gear assembly, the bearings top and bottom, the umbrella gear to the torque tube. There's a couple bearings for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and change all that. I've priced them. They're pretty inexpensive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and order them and go ahead and replace them. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching.